In this video, we're going to jam out a really fun tune, Going Down the Road, Feeling Bad. Chords and lyrics are going to be right here on the screen, so please get your ukulele out and jam along with me. The chords you need are a G, a C, a D major, and also an E minor. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to get a printable version of this tune and also some bonus content to take you deeper, check the links down below. Huge thank you to everyone who's a patron of this channel. Appreciate you being here so much wherever you are in the world. Let me know. Say hello in the comments down below. Let's jam. You ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Going down the road, feeling bad. Feeling bad. Oh, going down the road, feeling bad, feeling bad. I don't wanna be treated this way, where the chilly winds don't blow, or going where the chilly winds don't blow. Yeah, going where the chilly winds don't blow. Chilly winds don't blow. Oh, yo, yo, yo. Don't wanna be treated this way. Going where the climate suits my toes. I'm going where the climate suits my toes. It's 43 degrees here. Going where the climate suits my toes. Oh, Lord, Lord, Lord. Wanna be treated this way. One more. Going down the road, feeling bad. Oh, going down the road, feeling bad. All right, we'll do one more after this. Going down the road, I'm feeling bad, feeling bad. I don't wanna be treated this way. The water tastes like wine. Going where the water tastes like wine. Going where the water tastes like wine. Going where the water tastes like wine. Oh, Lord, 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 Lord. Don't wanna be treated this way. Come on, take it out with me. Going down the road, feeling bad. Down the road, feeling bad. Going down the road, feeling bad, feeling bad. Don't wanna be treated this way. Tag it with me, G to D. Don't wanna be treated this way. Don't wanna be treated this way. Can't believe my fingers didn't totally go numb and that this ukulele didn't crack. Shout out to the Close Company for making a ukulele that can be in very frigid weather and still stay in tune. If you're still watching, I appreciate you being here. Please give this video a thumbs up. Hope you'll subscribe to this channel. Wishing you and your family a wonderful day. I'll see you in another video soon.